Hi, I would invite you to practice with me. This is a very calming sequence that can be done anytime during the day. I particularly like to do it just before bed to help prepare for a better night's sleep. Or if you are working with high levels of anxiety, this can be a practice that can be done 2 and 3 times a day. The more often you do it, the more it permeates into your system and teaches you how to relax. So we're going to start in a supine position. You'll notice I have a blanket here that's cushioning my back from the floor. You may also want a blanket over top of you to keep you warm. I'm going to not use a blanket so you can see the full movement of the body, although the movements are very, very subtle and not too exciting to watch, but hopefully my voice will be more helpful than my actual looking at my body. So coming to lie down on your back, you can use a pillow or a small rolled washcloth under your neck. If you feel like a little bit of support there would be helpful. Before we start into any movement, it's important for you to be comfortable and to feel as though the ground is supporting you. So take a moment to let yourself ground. Try to make sure people and pets know that you just need about 5 or 10 minutes of quiet time. Begin to breathe in and out through your nose as best as you can. In practice today, we're going to work with a breath that's counted out, trying to bring the breath into a greater sense of rhythm and predictability. If at any time what I'm suggesting doesn't feel right for you for your breathing, then you go ahead and breathe in a way that feels better for you. Don't listen to me. At some points later on in the practice, we're going to extend the exhales quite a bit. And if you start to try to extend your exhale and you just don't have enough breath to keep going all that time, then all you have to do is just kind of wait at the end of your exhale. Don't breathe in until we start all breathing in. And like I said, if that doesn't work, you breathe in a way that makes more sense. So we'll start by just lifting the feet up off the floor, letting your hands come to your knees. As you inhale, your arms are straight, legs are pulling away slightly. And as you exhale, bring the knees in a bit more, elbows bent. Just like that. Now let's add the counted breath. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling 4, 3, 2, 1. And one more like that. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling 4, 3, 2, and 1. Releasing the feet back to the floor. Just noticing a few breaths, a little bit of matching the inhale to the exhale. How did that feel? When you first came to practice a few minutes ago, you might have had something on your mind. There might have been some discomfort somewhere in the body, tension somewhere in the body. Has any of your relationships changed? And that's really important for you to feel that you can do this. You can make these changes. We're going to do a little bit of sideways movement with the legs now, like a supine twist. Don't worry about getting your feet or your legs all the way to the ground. We're not worried about that. We're just going to drop the knees in that direction. So we'll start with the same 4-count inhale, 4-count exhale, and then we might change that a little bit as we move into this. So inhale, knees in center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop the knees to the right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up to center. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to the left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up to center. Notice how slow we're going here. Now drop to the right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up to center. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the left. 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up to center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now extending the exhales. Go to the right, exhaling 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. To the right. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling to the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling to the left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And center. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And center. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into the center. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pausing now. Again, noticing the sensations in the body, the way the breath is moving in your body. Simple little variation on bridge pose using an even ratio breath. So feet on the floor, arms just comfortably resting at your sides. This isn't a deep back bend. Getting ready now. As you inhale, lift your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, lower the hips. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lifting. 1, 2, 3, 4, and lowering. 4, 3, 2, 1, and lifting. 1, 2, 3, 4, and lowering. 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time. Lifting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lowering. 4, 3, 2, 1. Letting your whole spine settle to the ground. Releasing any counting of the breath. Just kind of land here. Nothing really to do. Nothing to organize. Just noticing now. The last little bit of movement in this sequence as we return to what we started with, hands on the knees. And we'll do the same motion, but change the breathing slightly. The same breathing pattern where we gradually extend the exhales. So here we go. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push the legs away as you inhale. 2, 1. And exhale, pull the knees in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Changing it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knees in. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Releasing feet to the ground. You're welcome to stretch out if you like, so your whole body comes as close to the earth as possible. Close your eyes if that's comfortable. Take a moment to notice how you feel in your body. Any areas of tension or discomfort. Has that shifted at all during your practice? Notice your mood or your energy level. Do you feel fatigued? Do you feel really jazzed up? Or something else? Notice the types of thoughts that you're having. Are they different than what you were having a few minutes ago? Even notice like the pace and the pulse of your thinking. Sometimes that even changes during this practice. You can stay in Shavasana as long as you like, continuing to just be present. Or you can roll to your side and gently press up and move on to whatever comes next for you. Maybe a nice sleep or a nice calm return to your day. Namaste.